Hi everyone, this is the second episode of the Digital Marketing 101 series. In the first episode, I gave an overview of what digital marketing is all about and the 9 strategies that work. In this video, I will discuss about one of the strategies, which is SEO. That stands for Search Engine Optimization. What is SEO? How does it work? Why you should do SEO? And what is on-page SEO and off-page SEO? Let's discuss today in this video. This is part of the Digital Marketing 101 series. I will be sharing more digital marketing strategies, information, and tips in future videos. So remember to subscribe and get notified whenever I upload a new episode. In the time that you have used the internet, you must have used search engines in one of your internet activities, right? Your web surfing activities. When you need to know something, do something, buy something, etc. You whip up your smartphone or you go onto your desktop, and you do a search on the search engine such as Google or Bing, right? Sounds familiar? Yeah. Today, many of us rely on these search engines to find out lots of things, to get information, or to even buy things. We use these search engines for research, reading product reviews, finding solutions, purchases, and many more. Many more uses. There are these things called spiders, or they're also known as search bots. They crawl the World Wide Web in search of content, hence the term spider. They come across content, for example, your website, and they find out what your website is all about. Then they return to the search engine databases and then indexes the content on your website. Then what happens next is a search user goes on to the search engine site. They type in some words. These words are known as keywords. They type in the keywords, and the moment they hit return, they hit the search, it produces search results, right? All the search results. And the search results are a list of all the web pages that provides relevant answers or information to that search query. Your goal is to have your web page appear on the search results, preferably on the first page of the search engine result pages, which are called SERPs for short. There was a study by Chitika, and that study showed how important it is to be on the first page of SERPs. The reason is because 91.5% of the searchers will choose and click on a listing that is on the first page of search results. When these people who are searching for anything, information or things to buy, and they see the listing on the first page, they will click on that listing. They will then visit the web page. As a result, you can see that being on the first page will drive more traffic to your website. And when these people visit your website, it is an opportunity for you to convert them into customers. So that is to get sales and revenue for your businesses. There are millions of businesses now who are doing this. They're doing SEO and they're getting their web pages on the first page because of this reason, to get more sales, more revenue. You should too. With such potential for sales and revenue, it is your job to see that your company's website and web pages get listed on these search result pages, right? And preferably on the first page of these search engine result pages. the SERPs. So how to get there? How to get to the first page of search engine result pages? You need to do On Page SEO and Off Page SEO. So what are On Page SEO? These are SEO techniques done on your website. They include tactics such as strategically placing keywords on the pages of your website. For example, you can put the keywords on the site title, page title, within the content that you are writing or presenting, right? You can put the keywords on the image alternate text tag, and so many more opportunities for you to put the keywords. I will do a video with more details about on-page SEO. So remember to subscribe and get updated when I upload this video. So what is off-page SEO? Off-page SEO is the digital marketing effort where you create presence or mention of your brand, website, or web pages on other online sites. This can be, say, for example, you should be on another website, say, for example, on social media, on another person's website or another business's website, on online forums, any other online property that is on the World Wide Web. So after the search spiders have found your website, what they will do is they will look at all the on-page SEO efforts first to understand what your website is all about, right, and how to index it. And then they will also see if you have done a good job, at on-page SEO, right? Then, of course, when you're done well, they will index it accordingly. Next, the search spiders will scour the internet to see if there are any off-page SEO done, which these efforts will include things like backlinks or mentions of your brand, website, or web pages. Every quality mention or backlink or off-page SEO effort back to your website will help increase your website's and web pages search ranking. Are you eager to find out more about digital marketing? And you would like to get the full and complete knowledge now? Go to the video description below and click on the link there. You can join with the free starter package with just your email. No credit card needed for this free starter package. And in this free starter package, you can get some free training as well as really powerful tools and features to help you do digital marketing for your online business. Have you been doing SEO? What has your experience been doing SEO so far? Let me know in the comments below. In my next video, I will be going into more details on on-page SEO and off-page SEO. So remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.